Nestled amidst the emerald embrace of a Costa Rican jungle, perched on a majestic 300-meter hilltop, lies a unique story etched in earth and sky. This is not just a tale of two villas, but a symphony of contrasting energies, pioneering innovation, marking a historic first for Costa Rica. The project embraced the sustainable and earth-born technique of rammed earth. The very soil excavated from the site was birthed anew into the walls of these villas, forging a seamless connection with the surrounding terrain. A Sanctuary Unveiled, sprawling across an expansive 11,000 square meters, two identical villas, each a compact 90 square meters, rose from the lush tapestry. Their design, partially levitating above the slope, offered breathtaking panoramas of the Pacific Ocean, while maintaining a grounded connection to the verdant earth below. Biophilic harmony, inspired by the principles of nature connection, the villas embodied sophisticated minimalism. Clean lines danced with the lush jungle, while earthy tones echoed the surrounding palette. Duality within unity, though identical in form, the villas housed distinct energies. Jaspy's Villa, named after the bright jasper stone, embraced Yin energy, reflecting the heavenly expanse with its sandy hues. Conversely, Nefret Villa, named after the deep green jade, embodied Yang energy, mirroring the earthy connection through its terracotta tones. Unassuming arrival, grand reveal. Upon first glance, the villas exuded an air of humble serenity, blending seamlessly with the landscape. However, venturing further, the villas transformed. Stepping onto the elevated terraces, breathtaking ocean vistas unfolded, leading to a spacious master bedroom adorned with an infinity plunge pool. A celebration of details, the construction showcased meticulous craftsmanship. Earthy rammed earth walls and exposed concrete harmonized with sleek steel beams, supporting a monolithic concrete ceiling. Minimalism reigns supreme in the interiors, featuring expansive glass walls framing the ocean vista and custom-made concrete furniture, reflecting the durability necessitated by the climate. A first for Costa Rica, this project transcended mere construction, becoming a pioneering venture. It introduced rammed earth to the country, employing the expertise of a Brazilian specialist to train local craftsmen. This collaboration resulted in the first rammed earth architecture in Costa Rica. More than just villas, this project is a testament to sustainable innovation, a harmonious blend of nature and human ingenuity, and a unique expression of contrasting forces in a breathtaking setting. It awaits those seeking an experience where the earth meets the sky, and yin meets yang. It is important to remember that home is not just a place to live, but also a place where we can gather with family and loved ones. Therefore, it is important to choose a home design that suits your needs and lifestyle. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss our latest videos. See you in the next video.